Okay.
Is it going?
Yeah, it's going.
Okay, so we're gonna get the reaction of me seeing myself with facial hair.
Don't touch your
I'm hot.
Yeah, it's going.
Okay, so hi, this is Enzo. We're at X-Men First Class. It's not in theaters. We're doing it at this church thing, and in case you're wondering why I have a beard, I am yeah, her fault. I am. Who am I? I'm Wolverine, obviously, and so I'm Wolverine. She's Magneto, but she made a hat, but it's somewhere else.
Over here. Here. Oh, check it. Sorry.
She's Magneto. Oh, this is Mima, by the way. Mima. And this is Mew, and she is Rogue, and we're awesome. And I have a vest, and I'm hot, as Tobuscus would say. But that's what? Oops.
Oh. Wait, the water got knocked over?
It's okay, but your key is. It's fine. Don't worry. So I'm gonna go now. Cause.
Okay.
Bye. Yeah.
Bye.